what's up guys? So today I'm going to show you how to make a really cute, really sweet deco mesh wreath with items from the dollar store. So what you need, this is the 14-inch wreath ring. And all these items are $1, of course, from the dollar store. I have 4 different colors of deco mesh, really pretty soft colors. Chanel stems and scissors. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. First thing you'll have to do is unravel your deco mesh and cut them into strips. This deco mesh is about 6 inches in width, and I cut usually about 8 or 9 inches length of the deco mesh. So I'm going to do that for all the colors. Alright, so when you do that, this is what it's going to look like. The length, I mean, you can go longer or shorter, whatever you choose. I just feel like this is a nice length, and it doesn't have to be perfect. So once you get all of the deco mesh cut, you're going to just roll this. It kind of rolls on its own, but just roll it a little tighter. Just roll it up. And I like to give it a squeeze. Sometimes that helps it from unraveling. There we go. You're going to do this for all of your colors. So I have lavender, light pink, hot pink, and it's really pretty blue. So I'm going to roll all of the colors just like this and make the separate stacks. Once I get all of that prep done and out of the way, going to take, sometimes it unravels. You may have to roll it back, or if you don't care, that's fine. And take all of your colors. And I don't like to place them directly on top of each other. I like for all of them to be seen, so I kind of go at an angle. Roll. And roll. Alright, just like that. So once you get all those colors together, and I'm going to alternate what colors I place beside each other just to make it a little more fun. Right now, see, I have these and I'll switch it up. But you're going to scrunch the center together. Take your Chanel stem and you're just going to tighten it around. Give it like a good twist or two. Just like that. And you're going to go ahead and do this for all of your deco mesh before we start putting it on the ring. That way it's all prepped and out of the way. Alright, so as you can see, I have gone ahead and grouped all of them into sections of 4. And I've alternated the colors. Use the Chanel stem just to tighten it up. And this is the product. And I've used all different color Chanel stems just because this is the spring wreath. And now we're going to place it on the wreath ring. Let me show you how we're going to do that. Right, so you just take one. And the stems are already sticking out. Going to just place it in between the 2 center rings. And I'm just going to twist it in place. You can turn it over if you need to, but just twist it in place a couple of times. And I made about 5 or 6 is usually what I like to use for each section. So if I do 6 each section, that's 36. 5, then you'll need 30. So just be mindful of that. So that's just how you do it. Let me show you one more. Stems facing downward. Gonna go around the center 2 rings. And you're just going to twist it just like that. See? And then once you get done, you'll be able to adjust and play around with it. So I'm going to go ahead and place all of these on the ring. Alright, just finishing up the last one. And I'm just twisting underneath a couple of times, 2 or 3 times, just to get it nice and secure. And when you're all done, you can adjust it, manipulate it, whatever you'd like, just to make sure it's all nice. And you hide all the Chanel stems. You don't want any of them showing. So I'm just going to go around and adjust. This is what it looks like. You can add flowers, you can add butterflies, you can add a bow. I think it looks gorgeous just like this, so I'm just going to leave it. Leave the rest to your imagination, but have fun with this. Enjoy yourself, and just like, it just looks so pretty and nice. Until next time, bye.